Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Katie Snow, and we're here today at Kroger's doing a healthy grocery call. And we want to share with you oils that are not so good and oils that are a better option for you. So before we get started, I want to make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can see more videos like this. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to start by sharing with you some of the not so great oils. So right here in front of us, we have a whole sea of different vegetable oils. We have canola oil, corn oil, peanut oil, soybean oil. These are just your trouble oils. They are very cheap, very poor quality. A lot of times people end up having liver and gallbladder troubles because they're trying to digest. They're cheap. And so a lot of people purchase them because they're looking at the price tag, but you're gonna pay the price now or later. You're gonna pay the price on the shelf or you're gonna pay the price in your health later. Another aspect of these cheaper oils is this is how they make the Crisco products. And so they'll actually bubble. If you look at the ingredients, this is soybean oil and hydrogenated palm oil. So in order to get this solid like this, what a lot of people use in their baking is they will bubble hydrogen into these cheaper oils to get a shelf-stable vegetable solid oil like this so that it can stay on the shelf for a really long time. So it's more money in the pockets of some of these brands. They're not concerned about your health, they're concerned about the profits. We're here to tell you how we can transform your health naturally, and that is by making better options with our grocery shopping. And another thing is you can keep this in your pantry for probably years and utilize it. We want something that is just made better quality, a better quality oil. So let's talk about some of those right now. If we come down here, we can look at one of my favorite oils that I use multi-purpose in the kitchen almost every day for many of the recipes that I make. And that is the avocado oil. It's in a glass container. This is Chosen brand, and the brand does make a big difference when it comes to olive oil or avocado oil. There's so many different options out there, and we need to pick the brands that have a good reputation and that they're not cut with another oil. So in a lot of research, they have actually shown studies that these cheaper oils are actually cut and put with some of these cheaper oils in them just to keep the money in the pockets. And so we really have to make sure that we're buying a reputable brand, and Chosen Foods is one that I really like, their avocado oil. So the applications for the avocado oil, it's pretty much across the spectrum. You can use this for salad dressings. You can use this for high heat cooking. You can even rub it on if you're doing some seasoning before you're grilling. This can handle high heat, but it also has a good flavor if you want to use it in a cold application, say like for a salad dressing. There are also avocado blends, and so this one's actually pretty decent. The California Olive Ranch, again, you have to watch olive oils and avocado oils. This one's a blend of both, but this is a good brand, and it also is in a glass container. There's so many different types of coconut oil, so you're probably trying to figure out which one's best. How do I choose a good coconut oil? So the way that you can tell the difference in coconut oil, if you look here, is you have refined and you have unrefined. So a virgin coconut oil means that it was cold pressed, it wasn't heated in the process. An expeller pressed is another method that they use. I use this in a lot of applications. Another way that the coconut oil is produced, they use coconut oil and palm oil to make MCT oil. So it's not here on the grocery store shelf, but you can find MCT oil in different health food stores. And the MCT oil is actually a fractionated coconut oil, so a little bit of processing involved, but it is also a very healthy oil that you can use, and that's MCT, medium chain triglyceride oil, Susie. Then another favorite oil that I like is ghee. And so again, you can see these different people that are manufacturing ghee. This one's actually my favorite. It's Fourth and Heart, and it has a grass-fed ghee. And so this company, very good quality, it's grass-fed, and they add Himalayan pink sea salt to it. So this tastes really good. It's a great quality oil, and this is the one I use most of the time. They've taken out the dairy proteins, casein and whey, and also the lactose. And so a lot of people who are dairy sensitive can do ghee as a substitute because they've taken a lot of the inflammatory proteins out of the ghee whenever it's heated just a little bit, and so you know that that's truly ghee and not a butter. And then I want to show you also one more thing about these junk oils is the way that they're manufactured. So it's not just a cheap oil, but they heat it up, and so you'll get the oil to be rancid. So it's not just a poor oil, but now it's rancid, and so that will cause a lot of problems in the body. But also they use chemicals like hexane to extract, and so you're getting these bad chemicals in your oil. So on so many levels, so many things that we have to watch when it comes to these cheaper oils. I do want to show you some other ways that oils could be packaged, and that is these handy cooking sprays. So say if you're popping popcorn and you don't want to dump the oil, but you just want to lightly spray it, or if you want to lightly spray your pan. But I do want to show you the difference. This is a container that has fluorocarbons, so it's a propellant to make it come out of the can, but you're actually getting these chemicals in the spray or in the oil. So they're now making the spray bottles with a healthier lid. So you're looking for a lid that looks like this, and so you'll see on there it's propellant free, and so that's healthier. Now this is canola oil. This isn't the one that I would select. That they have olive oil that's made this way. So you see the little sprayer on there, it's propellant free. And then they also have the avocado oil spray. So see that right here. And one more up here is the ghee. And they have that with also the healthier top on it. So these are just making it a little easier in the kitchen to use these sprays. A lot of things when we're looking at oils in the store. So I know for a lot of you, this is going to be a helpful video to see what oil to select and what oil to leave on the shelf. So I hope this helped you. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Katie Snow, helping you to transform your health naturally.